Hi thinkers, welcome to Math Thinker. We already dealt with the intermediate questions on decimals and today we are stepping into the advanced level. But before that, let me share one of my own quotes. A 1,000-step dream looks impossible when you focus on the last step. But start with the first, then the next, and the last will come on its own. This quote is true not only for life but also for maths. Big problems may look impossible at first, but when you focus on the first step and the logic behind it, the rest becomes simple. So let's begin. These questions may look tough if you try to solve them with the usual methods. But once you spot the logic, they will feel no different from the basic ones. See the first question. We have to find the value of this. First, see how the question pattern is. 0.21 is 3 times and here 0.21 is 3 times. And 0.63 which is the multiple of 0.21 is 3 times, and here also 0.063 which is a multiple of 0.021 is again 3 times. So we can take A equal to 0.21 and B equal to 0.021. So let us assume A equal to 0.21 and B equal to 0.021. And if I write A cube means 0.21 whole cube plus B cube means 0.021 whole cube by 3A whole cube, because it's a multiple of 0.21 which is 3 into 0.21 and it is repeated 3 times, so it is whole cube. So this one only I have written as 3A whole cube, and same like that only 3B whole cube, and you will get A cube plus B cube by, see 3 whole cube means here 27 A cube will come, here 27 B cube will come, and you take 27 A cube plus B cube, and if you cancel these both, the answer you will get is 1 by 27, which is option C is the right answer. So in the every question you find the logic and answer will be as easy as basic ones. See the second question. Find the value of this. See again this is the same question but you have to find the logic. See here 0.01 whole square and here 0.001 whole square. Means take A as a 0.01, B as a 0.22, C as a 0.333. Same as before question. And now if you write, it will be A square plus B square plus C square. But down, see here, it is not 0.01, it is 0.001. Means for this 0.01, if you do by 10, it will be 0.001. So we can write it as A by 10. Means A by 10 means 0.01 by 10, which is 0.001. So we can write it as A by 10 whole square plus B, again this is also same, B by 10 whole square plus C by 10 whole square. So if you write A square, B square, C square, and see here 10 whole square means in the denominator you will get 100. So this denominator will go upside because it will reciprocal, and you will get 100 here, and down A square plus B square plus C square. And you can see these both are common, it will get cancelled. So finally only 100 will remain. So that is your answer. Option B is the right answer. See the third question. The value of this. See, first we have to solve these brackets because you already know the BODMAS rule. So first we will solve this. We can solve this in mind. Like 3 into 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. It will be 10 by 3 and it will reciprocal. And we will get 3 plus 3 by 10. Again do the same thing. 10 into 3 is 30, 30 plus 3 is 33 by 10. So this is a fraction you will get for this bracket. And do the same thing for this bracket. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by 2 you will get, and when it will reciprocal it will be 2 plus 2 by 5. Again do the same thing, 5 into 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 by 5 is the fraction for this bracket. And now you will get the equation as 35.7 minus 33 by 10 minus 12 by 5. So this is a fraction you will get, and take minus common, it will be 33 by 10 plus 12 by 5, and when you take the LCM it will be 10. So 12 into 2 you should do, and see here 33 plus 12 into 2 means 24. 33 plus 24 will be 57 by 10 because LCM is 10. It will be 5.7. So at last we will get 35.7 minus 5.7, which will be 30. So option A is the right answer. So everything don't do step by step. You can calculate in the mind and directly will get the answer. See the fourth question. Even this you can solve in the mind only. See, as you already know the BODMAS rule, first we have to do the division. So 294 divided by 14 will be 2s are 1s are, and now 21 into 5 will be 105. So 105 plus 11 will be 116 by, take it as x, equal to, so 8 square will be 64. 64 divided by 5 will be 12.8, and 12.8 plus 1.7 will be, see 7 plus 8 will be 15, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, so 14.5 you will get. X will go here and 14.5 will come here, so you will get 116 by 14.5 equal to x. So if you multiply 10 for both the numerator and denominator, you will get 116 into 10 by 145. 2s are 9s are, and 24 1s are 24 4s are. So x will be 8. Option A is the right answer. So if you practice more questions like this, automatically you can calculate everything in mind. See the fifth question. The expression, this one, will be a perfect square for x equal to. See, first let me write the expression. 11.98 into 11.98 plus 11.98 into x plus 0.02 into 0.02. See, you can see here this is a square. 11.98 whole square plus 11.98 into x plus this is also square, 0.02 whole square. So if you see carefully, it is a square plus this will be b square, and this one is a, and here x is there. So if you carefully see this, it looks like a square plus 2ab plus b square. So by this we can find the value of x. So this will be the 2ab, and you already have a here. Here also a is there, here also a is there. Means x means you will get to know x as 2b. So x value will be 2b. So x equal to 2 into b value means this 0.02 and you will get x value as 0.04. Option C is the right answer. See, nothing calculation is here. Only if you know this formula, then directly you can come to know that here only we have to find the 2b value, which will be 0.04. See the next question. We should solve this. See, before that, check the options first, because see, if you solve in usual method, you will get the answer in decimals only, because all are decimals here. But the options, if you see, there is no decimal in the option, so all are whole numbers. So we can round off all the values and we will get the answer. See, 41.99 square, we can write it as 42 square minus 18.04 square, we can write it as 18 square only, because it will round off to 18 only. Divided by, we can keep it x equal to 13.11 whole square, you can write it as 13 square minus 138.99, it will be 139. So you can see this, it is a square minus b square, which will be a plus b, a minus b. So 42 plus 18, 42 minus 18 by x equal to 13 whole square means 169 minus 139. So 42 plus 18 will be 60 into 42 minus 18 will be 24. This x will go here, this value will come here. So 169 minus 139 will be 30. So this is the x value. 31s are 32s are. So x value we will get it as 48. Option A is the right answer. So before solving any questions, first try to see the options, because if it contains decimals, then you have to solve with the decimals. Otherwise, if options are not containing any decimal, then you can round off the values and try to find the answer. See the next question. We have to solve this, and again if you see the options, there are no decimals here. Then what we should do? We should round off the values. See, this 1599, we can write it as 1600 by this 39.99 will be 40 plus 4 by 5 into this 2449, we can write as 2450 minus this will be 120 only. Now 0 0 cancel, 4 ones are 4 40s are, this 5 ones are 5 4s are 9s are 0s are. So you'll get 40 plus 4 0s are 0, 4 9s are 36, 4 4s are 16, it will be 19 minus 120. You can solve anyone, this addition or subtraction. So if you do this first, you will get 1840, and if you add this, you will get 1880. So option D is the right answer. See the 8th question, the value of this question. See, first see how the pattern is. So here is also same values, here also same. Down also you can see we have the same value as above. So we can take A as a 2.697 and B as a 0.498. So it will be A minus B whole square plus A plus B whole square and divided by this one is A square plus B square. So if you solve the numerator, you will get 2A square plus B square. How? See here. A minus B whole square means A square plus B square minus 2AB plus A plus B whole square means A square plus B square plus 2AB divided by A square plus B square. So if you can see here, minus 2AB plus 2AB will get cancelled. So means it will be 2A square plus 2B square, and if you take 2 common, it will be a square plus b square, and again down a square plus b square. So these 2 will get cancelled. Our answer will be 2. Option B is the right answer. See, everything is on the formulas. So if you don't practice the formulas, then you will do in a usual method where it takes lot of time to solve. See, by knowing the formulas, you can get the answer in seconds. And see the 9th question. See, actually it is very easy question if you see the options first. How? So let's see. See, 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 1.5 is 11.5 by 5 plus 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 by 6 minus 15 ones are 15. 15 plus 3.5 is 18.5 by 15 equals to, we can take here x, it is cube root of x by 4 plus 31 is 30. 30 plus 7 is 37 by 30. See, 11.5 by 5, I will round off this to only 2 plus 13 by 6. This will be also 2 point something, so I will round off this to again 2 minus this 18.5 by 15. It will be 1 point something, so I will again round off this to 1 equal to cube root of x by 4 plus again see here 37 by 30, you will get 1 point something. I will round off this to 1. So you will get 4 minus 1, which will be 3, and again this comes here means it will be minus 1, and you will get cube root of x by 4. So 3 minus 1 will be 2 into this 4 will come here, so 4 equal to cube root of x. This is 8 and x will be 8 cube. So our answer will be 8 cube means 512. So option C is the right answer. See, why I have round off these all values? Because you can see the difference in the options. The difference is too much here in the options. So if the difference is too much in the options, you can round off the values and you will get the answer, which will not confuse you. But if the answers are like 513, option B 512, option C 518, like that, if options are there, then you can't round off the values because answer may vary. So if the difference in the answers are too much, then you can round off the values and get the right answer. See the last question, and again if you see, this is based on the formula. This is 0.013 whole cube, and this if you see 343, it is a 7 cube. But how to find the decimal place? Here see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 decimal places are there means it will be 0.007 whole cube. So A will be 0.013 and B will be 0.007. So we will get A cube plus B cube by, see this is A square minus, so if you see this, it is 13 into 7 means it is A into B plus it is B square. So if you can remember this formula, this is A cube plus B cube equal to A plus B and A square minus AB plus B square. So this formula is there. So this value will be equal to A plus B. And if you find the A plus B value, then you will get the correct answer. So only you have to do is do the addition of these. Here 1 plus 1 is 2, so 0. So you will get answer as 0.020. So option B is the right answer. So that's why you have to practice the formulas, because everything will be on the formulas. So the advantage of knowing the formulas is you can get the answer in seconds, but if you don't know the formulas, then you will take lot of time to solve the problem in a usual method. Okay, see, these are the questions I have solved, and at last I am giving you practice questions. These also looks very big questions, but if you know the formulas, these you will crack in seconds. So practice this and let me know the answer in comment section. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button if it helped you, and subscribe to Math Thinker to know the smarter tricks. Thank you.